It's gonna be basically a team deathmatch version of hide and seek.
Welcome back, Exploders, and once again it's time to go night hunting. This time a large group of my friends and I are headed into a very dark night versus a team stacked with other night vision users. It makes for some difficult combat, but epic moments do happen.
Okay.
As I mentioned, it's a moonless night, and that mixed with completely unlit buildings makes for much confusion both in the video and on the field. We head out towards the enemies and eventually spot a brightly lit up second floor, which kicks off our experience.
Alright, we're moving across the street to the next building. Yeah, what the hell is that? Look at him down there, Bear, down there. Bottom floor, bottom floor. Well, follow Bear, let's go to the next building. Go, Bear, get in the building. Get in the building. I think somebody might be in this building. Did somebody go up? They're up in the building, I'm telling you.
Yes, upstairs. You have a frag.
Yeah, I got a frag. Nice. You guys want to go up? No. Take my spot. I'm gonna grab another frag. Frag out. Hey, Kaylee. I'm gonna frag the room to the left.
A player has barricaded himself upstairs, so we spare no frags to get him out.
Yeah, give me some cover. Somebody in the back. They're shooting at the stairs. It's up there, it's there, in the doorway. Reloading. Yeah. I think so.
Eventually we get him and move deeper towards the enemies.
We're at the back of the building right now. I see you. Give me a wave. Cole, I got eyes on you, I think. Turn around.
Of course, at night it is hard to tell who is who, and communication is that much more difficult. So a large group like ours puts us at a disadvantage.
He's signaling me. I think it's a friendly. Bravo. Why don't we move along this building, see what's around the corner? Take the lead if you want. Alright, one, we're moving. Contact front.
Our squad gets caught on the move, and we lose a few people. I hunker down in the open field and eventually get separated completely.
Hey, you guys Bravo? Copy. Same. There's guys across the street here. There's a direct building across the courtyard. No. Oh, they're killing our guys as they're moving across the street. I'm in this front building right now. The guys just go ahead trying to cross the courtyard. Get contact from the left, they try to call out 6.
Enemies attempt to identify me with their call and response, but it only gives them away. I now have enemies to my front and my left, so I decide to stay in the building and keep them back, or catch them while they engage.
One down. You guys Bravo? Copy. Bravo up here. Watch out, left. Coming from the left across the street.
That area. Target is right there. Right there.
Yeah, they're shooting at me here. God damn. Going back upstairs to get an angle on.
We both know where each other is, and we both have the proper equipment, so I keep moving back and forth from window to window and room to room, hoping to trick the enemy player.
Great. Woo! Finally! I got one of them. I got him. Yeah, the guy with the bright ass fire illuminator.
Copy, copy. Yo. Alpha or beta? Or Bravo? Alpha or Bravo?
We're Alpha. I'm sorry, dude.
Sorry, man. I had no time to figure it out.
I know. That's it. All right.
My bad. As you can see, confusion is a huge factor in night games, and I'm still not sure what is the best way to avoid it. Let me know in the comments below if you have some ideas or experiences. I'm very curious. Bravo, bravo.